If you're new for this channel, we do cooking videos. Naita Eats. Today we are making rice dumplings. Like, share and subscribe.
You won't believe these are flour free. These 15-minute Paneer Rice Paper Dumplings have officially taken over my kitchen. My husband and daughter keep asking for them on repeat, and honestly, I'm not complaining because they are healthy, high protein, and totally addictive. The secret is in the filling. I'm using rainbow of finely chopped veggies, cabbage, red and yellow capsicums, and carrots for that crunch. Mixing crumbled paneer to finely chopped veggies. To give that wow factor, I add generous drizzle of chili oil and it smells incredible already. Now if you have struggled with rice paper before, here's my life-saving tip. Pre-roll your paneer mixture into small balls. It makes wrapping process so much cleaner and stops the paper from tearing or getting too sticky while you work. A complete game changer. First up, the steamed money bags. These are my personal favorite. Just gather the edges and tie them up. They are so delicate but packed with flavor. They come out soft and chewy. My daughter calls them treasure bags because they are bursting with that colorful veggie and paneer filling. Look at these little money bags. I used a tiny strip of spring onion to tie them up. They come out soft, chewy, and look amazing. Now for the crunch my daughter loves. The square pan fried version. It's a perfect contrast to the soft and spiced paneer inside. I fold this into neat little parcels. for the crunch lovers, check this out, sesame crust. I pan fried the squares until the rice paper turned golden. The magic dipping sauce. You can't have dumplings without a dip. I make a quick 5-second sauce with soya sauce, vinegar, more chili oil, sesame seeds, and spring onion. It's tangy, spicy, and ties everything together, whether you like them silky steamed or golden and crispy. I guarantee this will disappear from your plate in seconds. Give them a try and let me know which version your family loves more.
Rice paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get to the folding station. Take one smashed paneer circle shape. Put it in the middle and rice paper dumplings. Carefully slide it out and place it and make a square paneer and place it in the middle and fold it. Wait some time if your paper is crunchy. Become soft, start folding it. Now, if it's still hard, you should put it one more time in the water. Rice paper dumplings. My mom will fry them to crisper, soft in center, crunchy on top. Give me. Thank you. So, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Yummy rice paper dumplings are ready. Let's try them. And this is how it looks inside. My mom prepared nice soya sauce dip to eat with it. It's super good. Like, share, subscribe.